It's your boy Shizzy Mac, and I'm back with another little prank. Yo, your girl Chi Lovely, y'all, is downstairs right now making food for me and Chino, for my son. If y'all don't know who Chino is, Kiari, my son. But before I go any further, if you're new to the channel, like, comment, subscribe, join the bell. I'm about to say bell family. Join SC gang, you know what I'm saying? Your boy Shizzy and Chi Lovely is on our road to 100K, y'all. I know we haven't been posting because we've been trying to take care of like financial things, not in a bad way, in a good way. Looking at houses and moving certain places, different cities and all that. But as you can tell, I'm in a room by myself, and you know what I'm saying? Y'all know what that means. Your boy about to be pranking your girl Chi Lovely. When Chi Lovely come back up here and she bring on food, I'm gonna have the camera set up. As you can tell by the title of the thumbnail, your boy is about to be moaning all these funny noises, yo. It's gonna be so hilarious. I can't make the intro too long because she's gonna be coming up with subs anytime. Listen, smash our 20 likes and I'll drop another bang on your girl Chi Lovely. We are back, I promise you guys. I'm really gotta do this real fast because I don't want her to come up with subs and catch me. So I'm about to set the camera and get into this prank, y'all. Alright, you guys. So I'm setting up the camera now. So your girl Chi Lovely don't see you. There we go. She ain't gonna see this shit.
These are $500 when I get market.
Yeah.
Alright.
Everyone has money goals, but knowing how to reach them isn't always clear. That's why this is fast. I can never get it. And then they support.
I'm gonna take my pressure back. Laugh! I am strong! Tinfoil Man!
The hero we needed.
Oh!
No, Tinfoil Man. It was his one weakness.
Like
He can fly now! I love how it's slowly coming apart.
Alright, so last TikTok video laugh at.
Snake, bring the barbecue sauce too. Here we go.
Jimmy here. Welcome to our daily show where we discuss the
We are gonna ride this Ferris wheel 1,000 times, and if we don't finish by the end of the day, we have to sit on top of it for 24 hours. Come on, Chris.
Can we do 100?
No, 1,000. What are we, normal YouTubers?
You guys ready?
I can't wait. And we're
You know how you can connect doctors, you all do the same. You want videos and stuff at the same time.
and then Jim are
I guess we're carrying the torch by ourselves this time.
Wait, take the knees out of that. No! Are you sure? No, not now. Chris is going to recover Chandler.
Hey, little buddy. Not feeling good? We gotta do this, man. We're all in this together.
Come on.
Hey, come on, buddy. Just make the walk back.
We're still here. We're carrying the torch for the boys. You know what? I don't need the guys. I don't need them. Are we still doing the challenge? You are. I'll give him 1,000 when I get back on. Not kidding.
Chandler said he'll give you 1,000 if he doesn't have to get back on.
Donate 1,000 to Team 3. Alright, good.
If Chandler donates 1,000 to Team Trees, I will make him get back up here.
I already got it pulled up, man. Look. 1,000. Chandler.
I didn't see it. You donated $1,000 to Team Trees.
I did this so I could get out of a cow. I get so sick so easily, man. Ask my mom.
Good job donating to the trees. And even though it was to get out of this video, but hey, donate to trees is still a good thing to do.
Go, please.
Hey, we're still doing this.
here's the new Chris. Moment. Hands up! Hands up! I hit the toilet.
Yeah, they're about to throw a ball. Oh, here it is. Oh, hit the water ball. Good.
The flag from the red movie. Hi, Chris.
He started throwing all them dodgeballs at him. Oh, you got you one? I wanted you was taking almost Christmas. Jesus. She said she gonna buy some?
Yeah.
How many she
She
want?
want one of each. You want chips?
Jalapenos. Oh, I got these hot sausages. Oh, I got these noodles. Oh, I got these jalapenos.
Macho call back.
I don't know. No.
At least somebody did.
Oh. What's the barbecue sauce?
I punched you in the face.
Yeah.
What's this? How many times you put around that shit?
1,000 times in one day.
What, each person?
Just Jimmy. Why you go way back?
What?
Y'all been know what you were doing. Like, you been going way back there and not set up here with me.
Because I knew I'm back.
It take you an hour to
Huh? An hour?
take you an hour to eat.
Yeah, eat slow.
Oh, she touching me. Oh, keep slapping that.
Shut up! I'm about to punch you.
I'm trying to get ready for when we go to movies.
Movies for what? You're not doing that.
Yeah, why not?
American.
Alright, then do it now for me. Right now. Can I get a oh yeah? On three, alright?
Oh no.
On three, alright? 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah!
You're supposed to say it now. Say, oh yeah. Oh
Alright,
yeah.
alright. 1, 2, 3. Huh?
You're supposed to say, can I get a oh yeah?
Oh, okay. Okay.
Boy.
1, 2, 3. Can I get a oh yeah?
Oh yeah.
It's bigger than me.
You dumb.
You gotta be louder though. You gotta be exactly.
No.
Alright, come on. Come on, one more time. We gotta do it loud. Come on. 1, can I get a oh yeah? 1, 2, 3.
You want to say it at the same time?
Oh yeah, alright, ready. 1. Come on, ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah!
Audio Jump.
He like, no, they don't hear.
And it's a prank because I got my video on the whole
No, you
time.
You're lying. Why you do that, stupid? I really thought we was doing that shit for Zach. I was about to say, but probably like, yo.
Hey yo!
Why you made me say
Y'all
that?
got, y'all see her, y'all.
I was
She
looking
not
around for a
sitting
camera
there.
and I didn't see shit.
Yo.
No, fuck you. Get on my face. I'm not saying shit no more for you. Get the fuck out of here. You're a fucking asshole.
Yo, I'm waiting. Yo, it's really almost 13 minutes. I had that joint recorded forever. Hey, yo, this is the end of the video. That's how I'm ending the video. Y'all finally.
I swear to God. song.
Hey, yo. If y'all think I got her, yo, to say something stupid that she said she would never say, comment Team Shizzy Mac down below, y'all. Smash that 20 likes and I'm going to do another bang on your girl, She Lovely, in the next video. Peace.